Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic in current affairs series episode 2 is China to launch its official digital currency. So in this video we will discuss in detail about it. Let's start. So first question is, what is digital currencies? Digital currencies work as a medium of exchange which depends on blockchain based technology. What is medium of exchange? Medium of exchange means such as we use US dollars as for payment and transactions, we use Pakistani rupee, we use Indian rupees, we use Saudi Riyal for our payments and transactions. So in digital currencies we will use Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. Around about 600 coins are now present in this world which will use for digital transactions. So it will use except using banking system, it will use blockchain based technology. So why China made its digital currency? First of all, that Bitcoin and other coins, China considered them a threat to sovereignty of the China. So the second one is decentralized control, because no central bank will control them, so there was a sudden rise and fall in the value of these currencies. For example, in 2013 Bitcoin falls from $233 to $67, a major drop of 71%. In 2017 the Bitcoins suddenly rises from $1,000 to $3,000, and within a night it's again fall to $1,869, which will round about 36% drop. So in this value its prices fluctuates from up to down values within no time. So by using these digital currencies means you have to gain money within certain time and you have to lose money within no time. And the last one is the Facebook currency, which was Libra, launched in July 2019. Facebook is a social media platform with a user of 2.7 billion, around about 40% of world population. So if this 40% population will use this digital currency, so China consider it as a threat to the sovereignty of China. So the China decided to launch its own digital currency, DCEP, digital currency electronic payment. So what was the benefits of this digital currency to China? First of all, it will increase the acceptance of yuan. For example, now China uses US dollars in its CPEC and OBR, One Belt One Road initiative projects for loan payment and repayment. So by using this digital based technology in these countries, the acceptance of yuan increases. It will also prevent the illegal money to come in China. For example, in Bitcoin you haven't know about where the transaction came from and where transactions are going. So if China launch its digital currency its own, then it will give its control to Central Bank of China, which will then monitor each and every transaction from where is money is coming to China or what purpose the money is leaving to China. So hopefully this video will increase your knowledge. So subscribe Q will give the answer of your all questions. Share this videos to social media platforms. Thank you and fi amanillah.